Okay guys, so I'm back. So first I need to stop that Docker container. Once it got stopped, then what I need to do is Docker run -p. Okay, so Docker run -p. Wait, so Docker run -p 6000 to 6379. Then Redis. We'll take Redis image. Why it is not happening? Hey, Docker. Docker Docker ps, nothing is there, right? So Docker run, okay, -p 6000 to 6379. Okay, okay, now Docker run -p 6000 to 6379. Okay, then we'll give, wait, first what we need to do is Docker images. So we have two, right? So Docker run -p 6000 to 6379, or we'll take image. So we'll take Redis latest. Okay. Okay. Now Control C. Now Docker ps-a. So Docker run -d Redis. Okay. So now Docker, what I need to do? So now I need to check version. Docker ps 6379. Oh, port is still same. Still it is showing same port. Let's check for another. So another Okay. So what I need to do, okay, port forwarding, it is not working. Then what I do, docker run -p 6001, wait, 6000, 6379, 379, wait, 6001 to 679, and we'll give Reddish. So we took Reddish, right? So Reddish Alpine version we took, right? Wait. So we'll take this one. Wait. We'll go here and search. Oh, this is 6379. Reddish. Then Alpine. Okay. So now if I'll do here, wait, duplicate tab, sudo space show. Now I will do docker ps. So now it port got changed, right? So you can see, so here it was running as a, sorry, it has a detached, so not a detached mode, right? So we need to do run as a detached mode. So run -d. Okay. Now I will do docker ps. So you can see that port forwarding you understood, right? So now this you understood. Now, so this you understood very well. Now we need to understand how to change the Docker name, image name. Okay. So how do I change that? Okay. So Docker run so Docker start first. Wait. Docker ps you do this one. So now start the container. So Docker, now I will tell you. So Docker ps I did. These are the containers running. These two containers Redis are running. Okay. So now if I'll do Docker logs, nothing. So Docker logs with container ID. So you can get this. Okay. Redis was the starting. Now, so now what else? Docker logs for next container, you can see same thing. Now so same thing. Now what else? So Docker logs will use for debugging purpose. Okay. So if you would like to run as a detached mode, then you can do it. Okay. Now I want to change the Docker name. So what I need to do is, okay, Docker run Docker run -d detached mode port 6001. I did right. So 6379 hyphen name hyphen name Redis Alpine was there, right? So Alpine is a older. Okay, Redis older, and then image name. So what was that? Redis colon what is that? Alpine. So this one 6.2. Okay. Now if I'll run this, unable to find this. Okay. So wait. Docker ps. It is 6.2. Yeah, 637. So that one. Wait. So Docker run -d. That I did right. Docker run -d. Oh, sorry. This is my bad. I have not added hyphen here. Okay. What is happening now? Hyphen name. The name is Reddish. Wait, is so first I need to do Docker stop. So I need to give container ID. Okay. Now it is a stop. Now let's run this one. Okay. Now it's got created. Okay. So now if I'll do Docker ps, nothing, right? So Docker images Redis hyphen older. So now it's got so if I'll do Docker ps, it should show Redis hyphen older. Oh, sorry. This is my bad. Okay. So already Redis older is there. I should not use Redis hyphen older 2. Okay. So now container is created Docker ps. So we have Redis hyphen older. Okay, same for new one. So if I'll do Docker ps is running, right? So this is for new one, right? Reddish. So first I need to do is docker stop this container ID. Okay. Now docker run -d -p. Oh, port was not changed, right? So -d. So I'm taking detach mode. Name reddish new file. Okay, and then I'm giving reddish. So now I will do docker ps, then it is called reddish new file. Okay, so we can change the name, image name. Okay, now that we understood, now we have something is called network part. Okay, so I will do docker network ls. So we have this one, docker network ls network create redis network. Okay, network ID is created. So docker network ls, you can see, right? So there is a redis network it was created. So suppose you have both are running different, you should use that redis, you should use as a redis network, you can use as a redis network. So that is networking part. Now if you decide to go to container, right, docker ps, if also, so if you want to go docker exec -it, then container id /bin/bash. So you are going inside the container, node ls, nothing, then pwd was your current directory. Then if you go cd/ls, you are getting. So if you type environment, then you can get the environment details. Okay, so now exit. So now we have exited. So this is the way you can do it. Okay, so these are the basic commands that you used to do for troubleshootings, all those things. So what are the basic command we learned? Like first, how to pull the images from Docker Hub. Second, how to run that image, how to change the image name, how to run the container, how to how we can go inside the container, how we can exit the container, then how we can create a networks, how to run that image as a detached mode. So these are the basic, how we can check the Docker logs. Okay, so this is the way we can do lot of stuffs. And next thing we should go now Docker Compose. So what we can also that Docker Compose, how we can do with work with Docker Compose. Okay, that's it for this lecture, guys.